What if the Gracer had a gun?
Why we have a showdown? Alright. Put your gun down. You do it first. Hit.
What if the South had a machine gun?
No, you put the gun down. How about at the same time?
What if the Gracer had a machine gun?
This is a Colt 1911 target. This is also good for accuracy and it's also good for range. Oh, you! This is a Colt 1911 target. This is good for accuracy and it's also good for the range.
Pew! Pew!
This is a Baby Desert Eagle and it's part of a research called Magnum Research.
Yes.
This is not exactly good for range, but has good higher power.
Pew! Pew! Oh.
This is an HK MP5A. It's a caliber 6mm BB gun,
Yes.
and this is pretty good accuracy and a pretty good rate of fire. Pew!
Pew!
Pew! Pew!